What surprised me the most about working with Infusive is how adaptable they are. The fact that Infusive is able to make changes to the website and make changes to their platform specific to our needs was very surprising and probably why our relationship works so well. And I think the fast turnaround time that they have for us, that we need a product and they'll find it for us, or when there was a saline shortage, we didn't even feel the brunt of that shortage because Infusive worked tirelessly to make sure that we have what we need and that they're servicing all of our patients. Hi, I'm Tami Lev. I live in Chicago, Illinois, and I am a nurse, but I'm the VP of Clinical Operations for Drip Diabetic Therapy. So before we started working with Infusive, we were managing several different office locations, and it was very difficult to manage all of the inventory and all of the micronutrients and the supplies for so many different satellite offices. And Infusive actually reached out to us, set up a meeting, and showed us their platform, and it seemed like a really good solution. First started talking to Lauren and Darren at Infusive. There were some hesitations. Of course, we were a new business. We were really just starting to get off the ground. And when you're starting a new business, of course, there's so many different people selling you things, wanting you to utilize their product. Working with Infusive and really seeing their platform, and they really showed us what they have to offer. Soon and early on, all of my hesitations went away. Before we started working with Infusive, we were basically using Excel spreadsheets, different files and forms and Word documents, but nothing was really universal and nothing was able to be shared and put into reporting structure that we can report up to our executive leadership team or to report up to our investors. My overall experience working with Infusive it's been a wild ride. I think that because we are different and we're not just the mainstream product, we utilize all aspects of Infusive, and they are building out even more parts of their platform for us specifically. So what has been my overall experience it's been amazing. We've gone from using our own suppliers and our own manufacturers to pretty much only using what Infusive offers, because they're always looking to better the product, give us what we need. We've even created certain products with certain manufacturers, and Infusive was able to match that, beat the pricing. And especially now with all these new tariffs and whatnot with pricing, Infusive is truly a partner to make sure that we are able to get the product that we need at the price that makes sense, that we are able to still make a profit, but really give the best quality product and to our nurses that are out in the field as well. Infusive thinks about the things that we don't need to think about. I think Infusive has brought so many pieces of this business to the table that I would not even be able to manage or think about or figure out a process about how to manage it. They're going to help with your profitability. They're going to help manage the supplies that you have in stock and make sure that those are utilized first. Infusive really is geared towards the micronutrient space, and there really isn't anybody else who does that. Every team member that I work with at Infusive is willing and ready to help you in any way possible. Don't think that there really are better experts in the micronutrient space.